Alrighty, Indian food lovers, we're gonna do something really cool. I've done it before, but I'm gonna show you how to do it again. Quinoa, right? A lot of folks ask me, because I use quinoa flour in a lot of Indian recipes to increase the protein of our dishes, because so much of what we eat, if it's vegetarian, is not as high protein. So a lot of folks wonder, how do you make quinoa flour? Whoops, here we go. Let's grab the right lid, the correct lid. Got my Vitamix all set up. And let's see what this makes for us. Whoops, turn it on. Truly as simple as that. And now I've got quinoa flour. So the idea is it's in my dry container for my Vitamix. You could do it in another high-powered blender, up to you. But why do I make it myself? I mean, I could purchase it because I don't use a ton of it in my day. And this way I know it's fresher. And that's how quickly you can actually make it up. And also, sometimes you can't find the flour. I would also suggest that if you have a family that has food allergies, you're not sure how things are processed, make it yourself. This is how incredibly simple this is. I'm going to be making a dessert for Diwali. You can actually use the quinoa flour in halwa. I talk about that in my book, Indian for Everyone. So lots of different ways to use quinoa flour in your Indian cooking to boost our natural protein content in our foods in a plant-based way. Indianasapplepie.com forever, folks, for all of your cool, quirky ways of thinking of making Indian food, things you may not have thought of normally, but this is how my brain processes information. I take a recipe in, then I'm like, how can I break this down, change it, keep the taste profile, but make it super healthy and just delicious and valuable to our own community in our day-to-day, and especially our elders. As our community gets older, they want to have healthier options, but we need to make sure that the taste profile is perfect for them as well. Quinoa turned into quinoa flour. Indianasapplepie.com, folks.